Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Eritrean food. First, gather your key ingredients, including the unique Berber spice blend and versatile teff flour. Next, familiarize yourself with traditional cooking methods, which often involve slow simmering and careful layering of flavors. Finally, prepare to embrace the communal spirit of Eritrean meals, where sharing food from a single platter is a cherished tradition. Let's begin our culinary journey into the heart of Eritrea. Now let's master injera, the cornerstone of Eritrean cuisine. This unique, spongy flatbread is made from teff flour, a tiny grain. The key to its distinctive sour taste is fermentation, which typically takes 2 to 3 days. Once fermented, pour a thin layer of batter onto a hot, lightly oiled griddle. Cook it until you see many small holes appear on the surface and the edges gently curl upwards. It's a truly rewarding process. Next, we'll prepare zigni, a hearty and flavorful beef stew. Start by patiently sautéing finely chopped onions until they are deeply caramelized, which can take about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for flavor. Then, incorporate the vibrant Berber spice, a complex blend of more than 12 different spices, adding incredible depth. Finally, simmer the beef in a rich tomato-based sauce for at least 1 hour, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's talk about the beautiful tradition of serving and enjoying Eritrean food. Meals are typically eaten communally, with everyone gathering around a large platter. Instead of utensils, you'll use pieces of injera to scoop up the delicious stews and vegetables. It's common to offer a variety of dishes, including both flavorful meat and fresh vegetarian options. This shared experience, filled with rich flavors and good company, is truly what Eritrean dining is all about.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.